Hi, this is the Poco F5 Pro and I'll show you how to scan QR codes without our device help. So first let's open the control panel and just find here scanner icon. Just tap on it to open this option, tap to agree, to allow, and now we should place our QR codes inside of this frame. So let's just scan the QR code, wait a second, and now we could see here this is the Wikipedia link, so tap to go to website. Okay, unfortunately I just have no internet connection, so be sure that you are connected to the internet. So now we could see the results. So this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.